Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a New Orleans classic, shrimp and grits. Now since low carb is a priority on this channel, we'll be using cauliflower in place of corn to produce a very similar taste and texture, but everything else will be classic New Orleans flavor. Let's get started. Begin with a pound of raw, shelled, and deveined shrimp. Add some Creole seasoning. I'll be using my favorite, Tony Chachere's, but any containing salt will work. Mix with your hands to evenly coat. Cover this and store in the refrigerator. We'll prep 8 ounces of andouille sausage. Some brands may have a non-edible paper casing like this one. If so, remove before cutting. You can substitute smoked sausage as well if you prefer, but for the taste profile we want, andouille works the best. Dice into bite-sized pieces. Do the same with 6 slices of bacon. They don't have to be very small. We're aiming for bite size. I find using pre-riced frozen cauliflower to work the easiest for this recipe. We'll need 2 of these 1.5 cup bags. Cook by microwaving these according to the package directions before putting into the pot. Add the cooked cauliflower to a saucepot on medium heat. Add some heavy cream, 1 of 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, some salt, ground black pepper, and some garlic powder. Give a mix to incorporate and allow the butter to melt. Now add the 2nd tablespoon of butter and continue to mix to melt in. Once all the butter is melted, stir in some shredded Parmesan cheese. Cover this to keep warm and remove from the heat. To a large rimmed skillet or sauté pan, add our chopped andouille and bacon. Cook for a few minutes until the bacon is about halfway cooked. Add a 1/4 cup of chopped green onions and continue to cook until the bacon is done. Add some minced garlic and cook an additional 30 seconds. Now we'll construct the sauce by adding some Worcestershire sauce and 8 of the 12 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Give a mix to melt in and deglaze the pan. Now add some Creole seasoning and some ground black pepper. Mix in the juice of 1 lemon. Now it's time to add the shrimp to the pan and give a stir to mix in. Add the rest of the butter and cook for about 6 to 10 minutes or until the shrimp are pink and cook through. Remove the cover of our cauliflower grits, and if they've cooled down, just rewarm before serving. These were perfect. Add some grits to a bowl or plate. Ladle over our shrimp and sauce. Garnish with a little green onions, and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my shrimp and grits, a low-carb version of a classic New Orleans recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.